Good morning, all of you. A class में discussion करिबा elements of mathematics question number exercise 2 रा question number 12 product आपको already भी मैं କରିଥିଲି बट एक और କରିବାର उद्देश्य होची जे ए पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 रो निहाती गोटे क्वेश्चन सीएचएस रो आसे लास्ट ईयर रो भी आसीथिला गोटे 6 मार्क क्वेश्चन लॉन्ग टाइप क्वेश्चन सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट कथा है पांचटा क्वेश्चन गोटे मेथड रे ही हबो किछि हम अलगा बैटरे कोटे करिवार नै सब जगह गोटे मेथड रे करिवा मो पर्टिकुलरली फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन थर्ड क्वेश्चन एंड फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन ए तीनटा को सॉल्व करूछि समस्त भलो भाबरे देखो अच्छा ये क्वेश्चन के सॉल्व करिया पूर्व हमको मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट कौन कौन अच्छी गोटे होची sin इनवर्स x इक्वल टू cos इनवर्स ऑफ स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस x स्क्वायर एंड cos इनवर्स x इक्वल टू sin इनवर्स ऑफ 1 स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस x स्क्वायर जोटा मैं प्रीवियस क्लास पढ़ा प्रूव करी थी बर्तमान में क्वेश्चन की जीवा तो फर्स्ट बिट cos inverse given cos inverse x by a plus cos inverse y by b equal to theta. We have to prove that x square by a square minus 2xy by b cos theta plus y square by b square equal to sin square theta. Operating cos on both sides, we can write cos of cos inverse x by a plus cos inverse y by b equal to cos theta. Now, formula for cos a plus b is cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b. So you can write cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b. Formula for cos a plus b. We know that cos of cos inverse x equal to x, so it is x by a. Cos of cos inverse y by b, that is y by b, minus sin of cos inverse x by a. To simplify it, we have to reduce cos inverse x by a in form of sin inverse. We know sin inverse of 1 minus square root of 1 minus x square by a square into sin of sin inverse square root of 1 minus y square by b square, which is equal to cos theta, which can we write xy by ab minus square root of 1 minus x square by a square into square root of 1 minus y square by b square is equal to cos theta. Now xy by ab minus cos theta 1 minus x square by a square square root of this now squaring both sides 1 minus x square by a square, 1 minus y square by b square. Now this is x square by y square by a square b square plus cos square theta minus 2xy by ab cos theta. Now multiplying this to 1 into 1 1 minus y square by b square minus x square by a square plus x square y square by a square b square. Cancelling these two terms on both sides, I can write, take to left side, x square by a square minus 2xy by ab cos theta plus y square by b square is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, which is equal to sine square theta. So proved. Simply, to solve this question, we have to operate cos on both sides. Now cos given condition is this. We have to prove this condition. To solve this question, we have to operate cos on both sides. That is, cos of this equal to cos theta. I use the formula cos a plus b, cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b. By solving, I get this result. Very easy question. Students are advised to solve the second bit of this question using same method, because the question is here in place of a it is 2 and in place of b it is 3. Very easy question. Now I go to third bit. Third bit is sine inverse x by a giving sine inverse x by a plus sine inverse y by b is equal to sine inverse c square by ab. We have to prove that d square x square plus 2xy into square root of a square b square minus c4 plus a square y square equal to c4. फास्ट रू कहि जे सब क्वेश्चन गुड़ाक गोटे मेथड रे हम किसी भी कोटी चेंज हबार नहीं. मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट फॉर बोर्ड एग्जाम. Simply we have to operate cos on both sides. That is cos of sine inverse x by a plus sine inverse y by b is equal to cos of sine inverse c square by ab. By operating cos on both sides, we can write in this way. Now use the formula for cos a plus b, that is cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b equal to cos of. To simplify to the right side, we have to reduce sine inverse of this to cos inverse of this, so we can write cos inverse 1 minus c4 by a square root of 1 minus c4 by a square b square. Now again, to simplify this, we can write cos of 1 square root of 1 minus x square by a square into cos of, again, cos inverse of square root of 1 minus y square by b square Now sine of sine inverse x by a is x by a into y by b. Now we can write it as a square 1 minus the square root of this. Now again solving to the left side, we can write 1 minus square root of x square a square 1 minus square root of a square by b square minus xy by ab is equal to 1 minus c4 by a square b square. Now by solving this, we can write it as a square minus x square by a, square root of a square is a, into b square minus square root of this by b minus xy by ab. It is a square b square minus c4 square root of this by again square root of a square b square is ab. Now multiplying ab in each term, we get square root of a square minus x square b square minus y square minus xy square root of a square b square minus c4. Also know that there is a term 2xy into square root of this. So take these two terms to one side, that is a square minus x square square root of this and square root of this equal to xy plus. Again squaring both sides, I get a square minus x square into b square minus y square is equal to xy plus square root of a square b square minus c4 whole square. Now multiplying this to a square b square minus a square y square b square x square plus x square y square. Now using the formula a plus b whole square, that is x square y square plus 2xy into square root of this plus a square b square minus c. Now cancelling a square b square on both sides, x square y square on both sides. Now take this term to right side, that is b square x square plus 2xy this plus a square y square is equal to c4. That is this, taking this term to left side and this term to right side. Again by interchanging left and right to get the result. So important कथा होला previous first question और ये question में there किसी भी difference नहीं, both G question आराम से करी परिवर्तन. We have to simply operate cos on both sides, that is cos of a plus b, cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b. So students are advised to solve the fourth feat, which is same thing we have to do to solve this question. That is, you have to operate cos on both sides in the question. And it's to fifth feat. Fifth feat of the question is, if given condition is sin inverse x plus sine inverse y plus sine inverse z equal to pi. We have to prove that x4 plus y4 plus z4 plus 4x square y square z square equal to 2 whole into x square y square plus y square z square plus z square x square. प्रीवियसली हम कहि जे सब क्वेश्चन गुडा को हम गोटे मेथड रे करिवे, कौन से जगह किसी चेंज करिवे ही नहीं. We can write this as sine inverse x plus sine inverse y equal to pi minus sine inverse z. Again operating cos on both sides. Cos of sine inverse x plus sine inverse y equal to cos of pi minus sine inverse z. Now formula for cos a plus b, that is cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b. You know formula for cos pi minus theta minus cos theta, that is minus cos of sin inverse z. Cos of sin inverse x. We have to solve this. We have to reduce sin inverse x into the form cos inverse. So you can write cos inverse square root of 1 minus x square into cos of cos inverse square root of 1 minus y square minus xy equal to minus cos of cos inverse of this, which can we write minus xy minus square root of 1 minus z square. As we have to prove that all the terms in form of x4, y4, z4 we have to squaring repeatedly. So to simplify this, square root of this equal to xy minus square root of 1 minus z square. Again squaring both sides, it is 1 minus x square 1 minus y square, which is equal to xy minus whole square. Now multiplying on both sides, 1 minus y square minus x square into x square y square. Now square of this is x square y square plus 1 minus z square minus 2xy into square root of 1 minus z square, cancelling x square y square on both sides, 1 on both sides. Now we can write it as taking this to right side and by interchanging we write x square plus y square minus z square is equal to 2xy square root of this. Again squaring both sides, x square plus y square minus z square whole square, because as you know that we have to prove in form of x4 plus y4 plus z square z4, so after squaring again, which can repeat 4x square y square into 1 minus z square. Now a plus b minus c whole square, that is a square, that is a x4, b square y4 c square z4 plus 2a square b square, that is 2x square y square, 2ab plus 2bc, here b is y square, c is minus z square, so minus 2y square z square plus 2ca, here c is minus z square, a is x square, that is minus 2z square x square. Now multiplying on right side, we get 4x square y square minus 4x square y square z square. So we can write x4 plus y4 plus z4. Taking this term to left side, it is 4x square y square z square is equal to, here this is 2x square y square, it is 4x square y square. Taking left side, 4x square y square minus 2x square y square, that is 2x square y square. Again it is 2 y square z square, 2 z square x square. By taking common 2, that is 2 into x square y square z square x square. So proved. So टोटल ये जो पांचटा बिट अच्छी पांचटा का बिट गोटे मेथड रे होची कोनोसी फार्मूला पढ़िबार नहीं और सबोठी इंपोर्टेंट कथा होची तमर बोर्ड एग्जाम पे मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट ए भीतर गोटे क्वेश्चन आसीबो लॉन्ग टाइप रे 6 मार्क क्वेश्चन पर्टिकुलर यूनिट 1 लो. सो बाकी दीटा क्वेश्चन की आपण माने नीचे नीचे कर देबे यदि न होई परले अच्छे जे कि इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन म को आउथरे सॉल्व कर देली खातिर भी करथिली किछ अपन देखि ना जमारो ट्राई कर देखिए भी देन प्रॉपर्टीज की जीवा पूर्व हम आउ किछ कथा को डिस्कशन मित्र करबा जोटा प्रीवियस क्लास रे हम डिस्कशन करथिले sine inverse for the principal value ranges, dominant ranges of inverse trigonometric function. Sine inverse is a mapping from closed interval of -1 to 1 to -π/2 to π/2 closed interval. Similarly, cos inverse is a mapping from closed interval -1 to 1 to 0 to π closed interval. Similarly, tan inverse is a mapping from R to 0 to -π/2 π/2 open interval. Similarly, cot inverse is a mapping from R to 0 to π open interval. Similarly, sec inverse is a mapping from -∞ to -1 union 1 to infinity to 0 to π/2 union π/2 to π closed interval. Similarly, cosec inverse is a mapping from -∞ to -1 closed interval to 1 to infinity 1 closed to -π/2 to 0 union 0 to π/2 closed interval. Then most important thing आपको मन रखिबा को निहाती पड़िबो. Now this is defined by sin inverse x equal to theta, where x belongs to closed interval of -1 to 1 and theta belongs to closed interval of -π/2 to π/2. Similarly, cos inverse of x equal to theta, where x belongs to closed interval of -1 to 1 and theta belongs to 0 to π. Similarly, this. तापर हम प्रॉपर्टी डिस्कशन करथले. प्रॉपर्टी भितर थिला sin of sin inverse x equal to x for x belongs to closed interval -1 to 1, which is same as modulus of x less than or equal to 1. Similarly, cos of cos inverse x equal to x for the same condition as x belongs to this. Similarly, tan of tan inverse x equal to x and cot of cot inverse x equal to x. Similarly, sec of sec inverse x equal to x. For here x belongs to this, that is modulus of x greater than equal to 1. जोटा मैं डिस्कशन करि सारी बर्तमान आउ गोटे प्रॉपर्टी के में छिबा मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट थिंग दिस द कंपोजिशन ऑफ टू फंक्शंस जोटे कल डिस्कशन करथिले इफ f is a mapping from a to b and f inverse is a mapping from b to a, then f inverse operation f is a mapping from a to a. Similarly, if f inverse is a mapping from b to a and f is a mapping from a to b, then f operation f inverse is a mapping from b to b. So here f is, we know that sine is a mapping from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 closed interval to -1 to 1 closed interval. Here f is sine and f inverse is sine inverse. So sine of sine inverse of x equal to x. If we consider a equal to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 closed interval and b is -1 to 1 closed interval, then we get this. That is sine of sine inverse x equal to x, the identity function. We have already discussed that f inverse operation f of x equal to x, that is ia of x, and f of f inverse x equal to x, that is ib of x. So improve kare सारी previously. Now my second property is previous class रे first property गोटे property कहते ताको नहीं किस क्वेश्चन भी करथिले. Second property 2 sine inverse of sin theta equal to theta for all theta belongs to closed interval of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Similarly, cos inverse of cos theta equal to theta for all theta belongs to 0 to pi. Similarly, tan inverse of tan theta equal to theta for all theta belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 open interval. Similarly, cot inverse of cot theta equal to theta for all theta belongs to 0 to pi open interval. Sec inverse of sec theta equal to theta for all theta belongs to 0 to pi by 2 union pi by 2 to pi. Similarly, cosec inverse of cosec theta equal to theta for all theta belongs to minus pi by 2 to 0 union 0 to pi by 2. So गोटे important कथा अछि जदि गोटे पिला फंक्शन इनवर्स ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक फंक्शन यूजुअल डोमेन नेम्स मन रखि देला तो ताको ई कथाटा कष्ट होबो नाही, कारण हम यूजुअल sin इनवर्स ने रेंज रखितले क्लोज इंटरवल ऑफ minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, cos ने 0 to pi क्लोज इंटरवल, tan ने सिमिलरली minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 ओपन इंटरवल. जदि गोटे पिला यूजुअल डोमेन नेम्स मन रखिथिबो आको बहुत भल भाबरे मन रखि पाइबो. यार प्रूफ कथा देबे चिंता करिबा एक्चुअली तर प्रूफ टा हो ए टाइप रो कारण हमें जानि से sin inverse is a mapping from -1 to 1 closed interval to -π/2 to π/2 closed interval and sin is a mapping from -π/2 to π/2 to -1 to 1 closed interval. Both the function are bijection function. To find sine inverse operation sin theta, suppose we consider this as f and this as f inverse. We need f inverse operation f. So we have to first write f is a mapping from A to B. F inverse is a mapping from B to A. Then this is f inverse operation f. That is sine inverse of sine theta, which is equal to theta, that is I A theta, that is theta belongs to A. Here A is -π/2 to π/2 closed interval. Similarly we proved other, or directly we prove kari pariba. For example, let sin theta equal to x, where theta belongs to closed interval of -π/2 to π/2. Then we can write theta equal to sine inverse x. Now sine inverse, as you know that x equal to sine theta, replace sine theta in place of x. That is sine inverse of sine theta equal to theta. But the original proof is this, the composition of two functions. Example, solve followings. Sine inverse of sine π/6. We know that the formula for sine inverse of sine theta equal to theta, where theta belongs to -π/2 to π/2 closed interval. Here this theta lies between -π/2 to π/2, so you can write directly it is π/6. Another question, sine inverse of sine 5π/6. But here we cannot write this as 5π/6. We know the formula for sine, that sine inverse of sine theta equal to theta, where theta belongs to -π/2 to π/2. -π/2 to π/2 nothing but -90 degree to +90 degree. We know that π/6 30 degree. It is 5 into 30 degree, 150 degree. 150 degree does not lies in between -90 to +90 degree. So we have to reduce this to -90 to +90, that is -π/2 to +π/2. That is, we can write sine inverse of sine, you can write it as pi minus π/6, because pi minus π/6 equal to 5π/6. Now sine pi minus theta, it is again sine theta, which is equal to π/6. Similarly, sine inverse of minus sine π/3. We know the formula for sine inverse of sine theta. So we know minus sine theta, we can write it as sine of minus theta equal to minus sine theta. So sine inverse of sine minus π/3 Sine inverse of sine minus pi by 3. Again, minus pi by 3 means minus 60 degree because pi is 180 degree. Pi radian equal to 180 degree, 180 degree by 3, that is minus 60 degree. But sine inverse of sine theta equal to theta, for theta belongs to minus 90 degree to plus 90 degree. So I can write minus pi by 3. Suppose cos inverse of cos pi 3 pi by 3 by 2 pi by 3 2 pi by 3. We know pi by 3 60 degree, 2 into 60 degree, that is 120 degree. But we know that cos inverse of cos theta equal to theta, or theta belongs to 0 to pi, that is theta lies between 0 degree to 180 degree. But here it is 120 degree, so you can write directly as 2 pi by 3. Similarly, cos inverse of cos pi by 6, it is pi by 6, but cos inverse of cos 7 pi by 6, we know that pi 180 degree, pi by 6 30 degree, 7 into 30 degree, that is 210 degree. We know that cos inverse of cos theta equal to theta, where theta belongs to 0 to pi, that is 0 to 180 degree, but 210 degree. We have to reduce 210 degree to an angle between 0 to 180 degree, that is we have to reduce it, is cos inverse of cos pi plus pi by 6. We know that cos pi plus theta minus cos theta minus cos pi by 6. But we cannot use this directly. Cos inverse cos theta equal to theta, but theta belongs to 0, it is minus cos pi by 6. So we have to reduce again it as pi cos of pi minus pi by 6, because cos pi minus theta minus cos theta, that is cos inverse of cos pi by 6, that is pi by 6. Pi by 6 is 150 degree. 150 degree lies between 0 degree to 0 to 180. So you can also solve in other way. So try it again. निजे को सॉल्व करे को ट्राई करा ako डायरेक्टली हमें ए स्टेप को भी एस करो ए स्टेप को केमते एस निजे ट्राई करा जति ना हो पछारियो again. Suppose similarly we can solve for tan sine inverse of sine 1 is equal to 1. We know the formula. Most of the cases either theta belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 closed interval, or theta belongs to 0 to pi closed or open, or 0 closed to pi by 2 open, or pi by 2 open to pi. That's some question it is. The exact the value of pi is minus 3.141, that is 22 by, is approximately, it is 22 by 14, which is approximately minus 1.57 to 1.57. Similarly, this is approximately 0 to 3.142 in the form of radian. Here sine inverse of sine 1, we know that sine inverse of sine theta equal to theta. If theta belongs to this, that is if theta belongs to minus 1.57 to 1.57, we can write directly as theta. Here 1 lies between this to this, so it is directly 1. But sine inverse of sine 2, we cannot write it as 2. Maybe 2 likhi paribani because theta ethi lies करूचे minus 1.57 to 1.57. तो मैंने को हमें reduce करेगा पड़ेगा. तो 2 we can write it as sine inverse of sine pi minus 2 because sine pi minus theta sine theta, and exactly the value of pi minus 2 is 3.142 minus 2, that is 1.142, which lies between minus 1.57 to 1.57. So pi minus 2 lies between this to this, so we can write directly pi minus 2. Similarly, sine inverse of sine 3 does not lie in between these intervals, so you have to reduce 3 to this. Again use the same formula, sine inverse of sine pi minus 3. Again it is pi minus 3 because pi 3.142 minus 3, that is 0.142. 0.142 lies between this interval. Similarly, sine inverse of sine 4, it is again sine inverse of sine pi minus 4 because sine pi minus theta, again it is sine theta, but the numerical value of pi minus 4, we know the numerical value of pi is 3.142. 3.142 minus 4, that is which is approximately 0 point something, minus 0 point something. We know that theta lies between minus 1.57 to 1.57, so pi minus 4 lies between this interval, so it is pi minus 4. But cos inverse of cos 3 equal to 3, because cos inverse of cos theta equal to theta, for theta belongs to 0 to pi, closed interval, that is 0 to 3.142. This theta lies between 0 to 3.142. So cos inverse of cos 1 is, again it is 1. Cos inverse of cos 2, again it is 2. So पिलाମାନଙ୍କୁ କହୁଛି କଥାଟା ସମସ୍ତେ ଘରେ ନିଜେ ଟ୍ରାଏ କର. Sine inverse of sine 5, sine inverse of sine 6, sine inverse of sine 7. Similarly, cos inverse of cos inverse cos 1, cos inverse cos 2 up to 7. Similarly, tan inverse tan 1, tan inverse tan 1 up to tan 7. निजे निजे ट्राए करो, बुझिया को चेष्टा करो. यदि न बुझी पारे नेक्स्ट क्लास रे मैं रिपीट करिवे होते आउ पिलानको रिक्वायरमेंट को देखिकी हमन को नवा फॉर्मेट को आसीबा को पड़ला. पिलानो ठकणे जो असाधारण समय भितरे पाठ पढिबार अछि. समस्त अनुरोध समस्त भल भाव वीडियो को देखिब आ कौन से प्रकार पीडीएफ को पठा जीव नहीं. जदि कहा किसी डाउट अच्छी फोन करके पचारिब विदाउट एनी हेजिटेशन. किंतु निहाती भाव ट्राए करिब ए क्वेश्चन की आ बुझिबा को ट्राए करिब. कारण नेक्स्ट वीडियो रे मु आपको आउट डिटेल्स देबो ट्राए करिबी. कौन कले आउट डिटेल्स से जाई परिबा. थैंक यू.